Summer is coming quickly, so go for the gold and sign up for one of our summer workshops. I'm Jordan Nahr from the Training and Support Team, or also known as your honorary coach, to get you pumped up and signed up here today with That's right, we have a full amazing lineup of workshops that will allow you to choose your own path, run the race, and win the gold.
It's happening!
Let's give you the rundown of what we have to offer. First in the starting block, we have Nancy, who will be training you in 2 options for workshops. The first is What's New in Google Classroom, where we showcase and utilize all the newer extras Google Classroom has added. The second is optimizing and creating effective user-friendly Google Forms. This workshop will dive deep into the tips and tricks for making your forms sculpted into peak performance for your audience. Next on the block, we have Deb with 2 workshops that will stretch your mind into doing the splits.
And the Russian split! Oh, you nailed it!
The first is Google Sheets Autocrat, where you take data from a form or a sheet and convert it into docs, slides, PDFs, and mailouts.
Done.
The second is Strengthen Your Sheets knowledge by exploring the untapped potential, where we use awesome tools such as conditional formatting, filter views, protected ranges, and so much more.
My spreadsheet doesn't do that.
At the end of the block, we have yours truly, training you in all things Canva. I'll have 2 workshop options for you. The first is working with graphics and whiteboards in Canva, where we train you to work towards being an awesome, potential graphic designer, including using the newly added AI tools. We'll also make sure that you're prepared to make whiteboards fun and exciting for your classroom.
I am a semi-professional race car driver and an amateur tattoo artist.
The second workshop is using the recording options and how to best use all the editing features so your videos will have heads turning, just like the one you're watching right now. All of these topics will be offered in person during the first week of July on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The workshops will be 2 hours in length, happening at 9:30 and 12:30, which allows for hands-on activities and lots of practice time. We will be meeting in the mezzanine at the main office, and yes, because you asked for it, there will be cookies for you all.
Important.
Space is limited for these in-person options, so please make sure to sign up. For the next 3 weeks of July, we will be offering the same workshops in a virtual format with the addition of Lorinda's VLE portfolio about capturing student evidence of learning. These online sessions will take place on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays at 10:30 and at 1 p.m. and will be an hour in length. As an added bonus, we'll also be offering self-directed workshops such as Gmail and Google Drive that you can work on anytime throughout the summer. Now, I know you're wondering, how do I sign up? Well, the answer is right here.
Don't forget to send me a copy.
Just select the link in the description of this video or look for the sign up link in either the Learning Network newsletter, the Newsflash administrator email, or an email from your principal. Did I mention that the in-person workshops will have cookies?
Here's your cookie.
One measly cookie?
But that's not all. Every workshop comes with your very own tech token too. So you can show off your virtual medals and add them to your signature and have people wonder, maybe they're born with it.
Maybe it's Maybelline.
So we hope to see you next week for our season finale, which includes a digital cleanup, a reminder about our workshops, and yes, backed by popular demand, some good old-fashioned bloopers. Till next week, have yourself a wonderful day, and if there's one thing you need to remember as we go, it's this: we'll have cookies.